Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start now, check model and Android version so you pick the correct recovery path, and charge the phone above 50% to avoid shutdowns. Connect to Wi-Fi or USB. This ensures account checks complete. Next, gather the original Google account email. You'll need it for verification. If you don't remember the password, use another device to start account recovery with Google. This step reduces delay because account verification is the most common block. Once done with account lookup, try Google account recovery thoroughly. Enter known passwords, use backup email or phone codes, and answer security questions. These succeed most often. If you still hit factory reset protection, boot into recovery or download mode and write down errors and model codes. This guides the next step. Make sure to avoid unverified third-party methods. Prefer official Samsung Smart Switch or service centers because unsafe tools can brick the device or void warranty. Complete the process by finishing Google verification or visiting a Samsung service center with proof of purchase, which allows staff to remove FRP legitimately. Once unlocked, set up the phone cleanly and add your primary Google account to prevent repeat locks. Make sure Find My Device is configured correctly. If you're still stuck, write down exact error codes and any messages, then retry recovery steps or contact Samsung support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.